New CIA research makes you wealthy in 7 minutes. Preview. This works better than lower. Did you know? 237 million people in the world practice the law of attraction, but only 0.1 of these people actually manifest what they desire. Ask yourself, what did the 0.1 know that I don't? More importantly, what will you manifest right now if you somehow found out what they know? Your dream home? Dream car? E-vacation? Partner? Maybe your dream body? Well, a top-secret Kia wealth attraction experiment funded by elite billionaires has discovered a new 7-minute at-home ritual to activate the wealth code within you. Attract extra money into your life effortlessly today. Heal your body quickly without medicine. Find the love you've been searching for years. This neuroscientist taking this top-secret information public is being hailed as the man of Christ by folks who are cash-strapped, confesses that you can achieve all of the above rapidly if you just hear the special sound wave revealed on this website here. But I urge you to not delay checking it out because the investors that funded this research know about this website and they are currently hiring the best Manhattan lawyers to shut this site down and silence the rogue scientists so that